Nobody tells you this when you are at the bottom. Nobody sits you down and says this is actually the part that matters. They just watch you fall and wait to see what you do next. But here is what I have come to understand about rock bottom. It is the only place where the version of you that was performing for everyone else finally runs out of energy to keep going. Think about what rock bottom actually is. It is not just pain. It is a specific kind of pain that comes from the complete collapse of the story you are telling yourself about your life. The story that said, if I just keep going, if I just keep managing, if I just keep holding it together, eventually it will work out. Rock bottom is the moment that story finally stops being believable, and something in you, exhausted from holding up a version of yourself that was never quite real, just lets it fall. The Japanese concept of Wabi-sabi finds beauty in broken and imperfect things, not despite their fractures, but because of them. Because a thing that has been broken and repaired carries evidence of a life actually lived, not a life managed from a safe distance. The crack is the record of the impact, and the repair is the record of the survival, and both of those things together tell a story that an unbroken surface never could. Ernest Hemingway wrote that the world breaks everyone, and afterward many are strong at the broken places. He was not being poetic, he was being precise, because the places where you were forced to rebuild are the places where you now know exactly what you are made of, in a way that people who were never broken simply do not. Think about someone who lost everything they had built by 30. The job, the relationship, the version of the future they had planned for, and sat in an empty flat, wondering what was left. What was left was the only thing that had always been there, the actual self, stripped of every layer of performance and expectation, finally visible for the first time. That is not nothing. That is everything. That is the only foundation that actually holds. Rock bottom is not the end of your story. It is the first page of the version of it that is actually yours, the one that starts not with what you were handed, but with what you chose when there was nothing left to choose from but yourself. If this landed somewhere real for you, leave a comment and tell me what your rock bottom taught you that nothing else could have. I genuinely want to read it. Like this video and subscribe, because every week we go to the places most people are afraid to look and find something worth keeping there.